Okay, finally my Temu rock crawler came in. Ordered, I believe it's China, off website Temu. And I got this original rock crawler here. It's New Bright RC, which, like I said, is a toy grade. I bought it for scale. Having it open up, I just took the top of the box off. So, try to show what's in there. Apparently, this is a spacer. And instructions with battery and a charging cable. It's the H1 Hurtle, by the way. And I'm a Phillips screwdriver. It's kind of nice. Okay, that's a charging definitely for the end. I'm hoping that'll work with my 2S battery I did for that Raptor I just finished. Building the controller, looks like it might. I'll put this up there. New. Maybe. There's 3 pins there. Okay, so it goes like that. Well, anyway. So, another spacer. And the truck. And this. Let's see, another spacer. Another spacer. I want to pull this bottom out just in case there's something there. And no, there's not. I'm gonna put this back in there. Wait, where's the controller? Oh, it's in there. Yeah, it's. No, I see the wheel. So, now I wish I'd have brought my knife in. Okay, that folds out. And there it goes. And I knew I did not bring batteries downstairs. So, I have to show that some other time. It's actually running. So I get cut off camera and grab a couple of the batteries. Put all the spacers back. Alright. Well, yeah, it's pretty. Okay, this is cool because it's got the full-blown interior, and I'll bring the camera out in a second. Full-blown interior, and it's actually got the full frame. Well, let me get some batteries, and then I'll be back, and I'll bring the camera actually around closer. Ah, that's what this is for the battery cover. I'll figure that out in a minute. Alright, so one thing that's cool is it does have these headlights. So it's supposed to have 3 different functions. That's flashing. I guess slower flashing and then off. Oh, okay, on, triple flashing, double flashing, off. turn signals stay on all the time. They're supposed to turn. I turn the wheels. Are they? Yeah, and it does it in the rear too. So that's all the light modes. It does have a full-blown red interior, like I said. Bring the camera, take the camera off and bring it around. So it has this on the front that's permanently mounted. It's a plastic bumper, not metal bumpers, plastic bumpers. They said that's a fully functional spare tire. By the way, it's held on with a screw up there. The part I don't like is this for the battery. See, it goes in there. You gotta be careful when you're putting it together. They said it's supposed to come with 2 battery packs. I misunderstood. This is the only one it came with. It did come with the charger. It's kind of a pain to figure out at first. See, that cable gets in the way. And that's a plastic bumper. Oops. There, get close. That's the Loon Chasis, the coilover springs. If I was going to do any upgrades, it'd be actually getting metal shocks and springs. Some better shocks. That's actually metal right there, metal drive shaft and linkage. And see them spin. Oh, they're supposed to. That's a drive shaft spring. And then it has this. That's kind of loud. The trim mode. I think this is for lower gears. And this should be for all the way high. Oh crap! Yeah, that's a difference on that. Well, this is supposed to be a rock crawler. And they didn't give me that part either, but luckily I got one in the garage. So they want you connected to that. I think it's like a phone charger, actually. I can't read Chinese, but I think it's like your regular phone charger. So if you have a spare phone charger, or it'll plug into a computer or laptop, etc., etc. Yeah, it actually is all in Chinese. So I'll have to do the actual run test. Wait, here's English. I'll have to do an actual run test later. I won't know it. I take it PWAD and put it on actual crock. So let's get a troubleshooting. I need to keep this thing here. Alright, well, this will be the end of the video until I actually take it outside and rock climb.